Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Marvel Guardians of the Galaxy on the Xbox Series X. So yeah, I got this for Christmas. Super excited about playing this. Everything I've heard has just been awesome about this game, and I love the films anyway, the Guardians films. So yeah, really looking forward to watching Volume 3 when that comes out. So you've got Star-Lord, aka Peter Quill. You've got Groot. Drax, Gamora, and Rocket. So, yep. And the side, and then the back. Lead the Guardians. You got this, probably. So there's loads of 80s music in this as well, which I am so happy about. So, yep. That's the back. And then inside we have the disc. Guardians. We have some paperwork, including a leaflet for the Avengers, which was disappointing, and then some alternative artwork. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing for Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy on the Xbox Series X, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye bye. I am Groot.